Hey y'all, Natalie here, and I'm just going to do a really quick run through of some Paper House Halloween products that I have that I'm going to use in my October daily, and I'm going to do a couple of quick foundation pages. Look at those awesome transparencies. I love them so much. I pulled out that brick paper and I pulled out the stars. I love this line. It is a line of specific Halloween papers that they have in the store. And I've already used those on a layout. You can scroll back and see. They have tiny stickers. They have puffy stickers. They have 3D stickers. They have 3D shimmers. There's so much. Those 3D bats. Oh my gosh, puffy bats. Look how cute that 3D sticker is. That would look so good up and down a page. So now I'm going to get started. Oh, look, more little clips and more 3D shimmers. So those little things light up, and I'll show you at the end how they light up. And there is my October daily, and it's just a chipboard album cover, and I'm gonna do like a flip book album, but I did want a hardcover to protect it. So we're gonna work on creating a couple of foundation pages as well as a title page for the book. So I'm using this really cute, I'm kind of figuring out the size, this really cute skull side of the paper. But then it will still show the moon on the other side, and it can also be decorated. So I like that it's double-sided, so you can have both sides to look good on the album, like from both angles. So the best size that can fit in my album is like 5x4, but I'm gonna do all different sizes and kind of different shapes and everything too. So my plan is to cut that transparency and put it as over the title page. And the title page is going to be like a little calendar that I printed out. So there's the calendar. And I got that from like the Over app that I use to edit things sometimes. And it was just like a free file, and I edited it to fit what I needed. So now I'm going to adhere it to a piece of black cardstock that has these little scalloped edges around it to add some interest. And then I'm going to place the transparency on the top of that and put the year. So when you flip it, you'll only see 2020 on the transparency, and then you'll see the calendar underneath it. And when I was going through the album, I realized that it wouldn't fit really greatly if I just put one like hole in the corner of all the pages. So I'm gonna put 2 holes at the top and do like a little flip book, and just use the ring on the side of the binding to house like my embellishments. So like my little clip that I make, and that shimmers is gonna go in there. I'm gonna turn off the light and show you how it lights up. I'm going to put a link down below for the store. You can use my code PH20Natalie for 20% off all the time. There's so many Halloween goodies in the store. So make sure you pop over and grab some. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.